TeeSquare is not a representation of our faith in Pakistan and its potential only. It's actually a representation of our faith in the people of Pakistan.
सिर्फ झंडियाँ ना लगाएं, आए हम सब मिलकर पाकिस्तान में लोगों को पढ़ाएं।
Let me start by saying that all roads lead to education. We need an educated Pakistan because we need to enable our people to make informed decisions about themselves, about the society and the nation as a whole. Education is not just a skill. It is a power that will allow Pakistan to remain relevant in the developed world and ensure sustainable growth for all of us. So frankly, I place education on the same basic human rights level as food, shelter and protection. To me, it's a ticking time bomb, and I think we have an educational emergency in Pakistan.
ये एक विश लिस्ट लगती है, मगर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह we have been able to do pilots with 200 learners in Karachi, Lahore and Islamabad. So it's more than a wish list, it's happening, and we look forward to taking it to all parts of Pakistan.
So we're a very mission-driven team. We've kept ourselves very focused on imparting basic education. We've been very careful in jotting down our priorities, and we've stuck to those priorities. We have a very simple business model, and we have been very fortunate that we've worked with the most genuine and competent partners. TeeSquare is not a representation of our faith in Pakistan and its potential only. It's actually a representation of our faith in the people of Pakistan. Whoever crossed our path wanted to contribute to TeeSquare in whatever capacity they could. All the people of Pakistan need is an opportunity to rise above and beyond and contribute for the sake of Pakistan. And that's what TeeSquare is all about.
Our Sword 200 campaign aims to fight illiteracy in Pakistan. We hope to raise sponsorship for our 100 learners who we've enrolled in our learning centers through this campaign. Your contribution will help them get education in foundational courses of English, Urdu and Maths. On this auspicious occasion of the 75th Independence Day, सिर्फ झंडियाँ ना लगाएं, आए हम सब मिलकर पाकिस्तान में लोगों को पढ़ाएं, जश्न आज़ादी मनाएं।